A single AI tool update wiped 7% of Figma's stock price in one day. That's billions of dollars gone because of an update to Claude. And the craziest part, that was just the first version. Claude Design 2.0 just dropped, and what Anthropic has added this time around makes version 1 look like a rough draft. I'm going to show you all 5 major upgrades in this video, step by step, with real examples. If you're a designer, a developer, a founder, or just someone who makes content, this update is going to change how you work. Stick around because upgrade number 3 is the one nobody is talking about. And it might be the most powerful thing Anthropic has ever shipped. Before we dive in real quick, what even is Claude Design? Claude Design is Anthropic's AI-powered visual creation tool, built directly into Claude.ai. It launched on April 17, 2026 as a research preview. The idea was simple. Describe what you want in plain language, a landing page, an app prototype, a pitch deck, and Claude builds you a working, clickable, testable version in seconds. Not a static image, not a screenshot, actual live HTML, something you can interact with. When it launched, over 1 million people used it in the very first week. But there was a massive problem. One reviewer from PC World burned through 80% of his entire weekly Claude Pro allowance in just 25 minutes, producing only 3 variations of a single web page. That's not sustainable, and Anthropic knew it. So on June 17, 2026, they shipped what the community is now calling Claude Design 2.0. A complete overhaul that fixes the biggest pain points and adds features that turn this from a cool demo into a tool you can actually build a business with. Let's go through every single upgrade. Upgrade number 1, and this is the big one, design system import. Here's the problem with every AI design tool before this update. You ask it to build your landing page and it gives you something that looks generic. Blue buttons, random fonts, a layout that could belong to any startup on the internet. It has no idea what your brand looks like. Claude Design 2.0 completely solves that. You can now import your actual design system, your real colors, your real fonts, your real component library, directly into Claude Design. From a GitHub repository, from Figma files, or just raw uploads. And here's where it gets really smart. Once you import your design system, Claude doesn't just use your components. It validates its output against your system before you even see the result. It catches its own mistakes and corrects them automatically. So instead of getting a generic layout you have to redesign from scratch, you get a first draft that's already using your brand, your buttons, your typography. For enterprise teams, there's even a new admin role, where your design lead can lock down one approved system across the whole organization. Nobody goes off-brand ever. Kevin Clark from Shopify called it a tough day for Figma. And honestly, he's not wrong. This feature alone is worth the price of a pro subscription. Upgrade number 2, the Canvas editor. And this one is going to save you so many tokens. In the old Claude Design, every single change, even fixing a typo, required you to go back to the chat, describe your change, and let Claude regenerate the entire design. That meant burning tokens every time you moved a button 2 pixels to the left. Now, you just click on it and drag it. Claude Design 2.0 has a proper WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get editor built directly into the canvas. You can click text and edit it directly. Drag elements to resize. Align. Okay, this is upgrade number 3. And I promised you this is the one nobody is talking about. It's called Design Sync. And it's a two-way bridge between Claude Design and Claude Code. Here's the problem it solves. Historically, design and code have always lived in completely separate worlds. A designer creates something beautiful in Figma. A developer rebuilds it from scratch in code. Information gets lost, details get missed, hours get wasted. Claude Design 2.0 closes that gap completely. If you're a developer, you can now run one command in your terminal, /design-sync, and it pulls your entire codebase's design system directly into Claude Design. Your prototypes then start from your real components, not generic placeholders or hallucinated markup. And it goes the other way too. Once a design is finalized in Claude Design, you can push it directly to Claude Code for implementation. One command. The whole handoff happens automatically. Upgrade 4. The one everyone was begging for. They fixed the token problem. This was the single biggest complaint about the original Claude Design. You'd open it, generate 2 or 3 things, and suddenly you've burned through your entire weekly allowance. Claude Design 2.0 fixes this in 2 ways. First, the average turn now uses significantly fewer tokens to produce the same quality result. Second, Claude Design now shares its usage limits with your other Claude usage. Chat, Claude Code, Claude Cowork, and Claude Design all draw from the same shared pool. No more separate design-only limit that runs out before you've finished a single project.